Yes, I am pumped. Thank you, Connor. And you put it in a Christmas mug.
Christmas kitty.
You know me so well.
What do you think?
Instantly into it. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another vlog. It is Tuesday here for me, but it is Friday for you, so happy Friday, happy birthday if today is your birthday. And I hope that you guys are all having a wonderful start to your day. I actually am. I woke up in a pretty good mood here today. Just got a little bit of work done. I also wanted to say the biggest thank you to you guys for the support on my merch. I really appreciate it. As of right now, we are way more than half sold out of the inventory. We did just a small batch this first time because I really didn't know what to expect. I didn't know if people would be interested in actually buying this, and you guys were, and thank you so much. It's so sweet of you. Like, I'm just so glad that you guys love it as much as I do, because I really do love this merch. Here it is again. In case you missed it, I don't know how much stock we'll have left by the time this goes up because I'm filming this on Tuesday for Friday, so I'm not sure, but I'll have an update in the description whether you can still purchase it or not. So here's the actual merch itself, like in its original design. This is sort of like the base merch, and I just love it. I'm so obsessed with it. If you guys missed it, I did a little styling video about how I style this a couple different ways on my Instagram. It's a reel, so you can go check it out there. In addition to this, you can also get this shirt in sort of like a tan nude color, but the design is still the same orange. And then you can also get it as a crew neck, which I actually don't have yet. I have a sample coming to me, and that comes in two different colors too. It's sort of like a burnt orange and a white if you just want something plain. So I want to make sure that I included a crew because I know that it's cold a lot of places right now. Here, even here in Santa Monica, it's sort of chilly, although I hate saying that to people because I know people live in much colder places than Santa Monica. Anyway, got a little bit of work done this morning, and I think Connor and I are actually gonna go for a little walk now. It just looks really nice and fresh out. It's a little cold. I'm definitely gonna put a jacket on, but overall it looks like a pretty nice day. So I think we'll go for a little walk and then come back here and continue getting to work. And then today we are going to work on organizing my closet. I finally got all the stuff. Hopefully, I haven't even opened it yet. Hopefully it all works. I probably should check that ahead of time. But either way, we are getting my closet more situated today, finally. Well, we got back from our walk quite a while ago now, but it was super nice. It actually is a really nice day out. It was a little chilly, but really nice, especially in the sun. And we actually walked over in a different direction than we typically walk, which was nice too, just to see a little different part of our neighborhood. And now it's 1 p.m., so I'm gonna make some lunch. I don't know what I want. Whoa, look at this creation Connor has. Look at that.
A turkey sandwich on a baguette.
Yum, that makes me want a sandwich. Maybe I'll go for it.
Yeah, use the baguette.
Yeah, while it's fresh.
Mm-hmm.
I like it. I think I'll do it. Okay, lunch is served. Made a little sandwich here with some of the unexpected cheddar and broccoli soup on the side. Looking good. Look what Connor put on. Bridgerton. Very excited. So it's the end of the day now, just like that. It really does fly by. I really thought that I would be done with work early, and 6 p.m. and I really did want to wrap up around 3 hours ago to be able to work more on the closet during the day, but that's okay. We're still going to work on it because I have been waiting for this. So I want to start by just sharing the stuff that I got here. So first up, we have these Ziploc vacuum bags. That's going to be for a bunch of the pillows and stuff that we're not using a lot. And then this is the closet stuff. So this is the shelf that I got for my closet to hopefully replace that other shelf that didn't work. And I just, oh my god, caught it. And then the other thing I got, 50 more hangers. So that should be good to go. Okay, let's put this shelf together here. Look at this, a shelf that I can actually put together. Wow, we did it. That was so much easier than the last one I tried to put together. Look at this little cat. Let me move these scissors. Okay, all of this, or almost all of this, is going to get vacuum packed. Whoa, these are giant. Oh my god, you guys, you have to see where Molly is. Molly cat, you're just sitting in this little bin? Does that make you feel safer with all the scary noises? Okay. Time for the vacuum. It's gonna be fun, I think. Wow. Look at this thing. Look at how tiny it got. Wow. Okay, Connor, I'm ready for you. Okay.
That will be fun.
One and two. Oh yeah, we are in.
Boom.
Boom. Terrible high five. Okay, finally we are back for the closet. So here's what I'm thinking. I'm going to use that little shelf that I built, I think in here, to separate my jeans and my shorts. So let's start with that. Let me just sort of pull this stuff. See how this is gonna go. So this little guy, slide there. Perfect fit. Look at that. Those just slide under there. There we go, that's pretty good. Let's hang up some of this stuff, and then I already moved all of my shirts and everything that are going to be hung up in the closet now in here. So that's gonna require some reorganization as well. All right, let me go get my other hangers, and then we're gonna figure out this closet. Okay, here's what I'm thinking. T-shirt dresses get moved to the other side with actual dresses. That way there's more room up here for shirts to hang, and we're gonna see how that goes. Sweet, done. So new thought, let me show you the way that my closet was currently organized so I can try to explain it. So these are like all of the shirts that I have hanging in here, right? And I like to go from light colors to dark colors, and basically they all just went in like that. But now that I'm going to have more shirts in here, like it used to just be like hanging shirts and then folded shirts would obviously be in the dresser. Since there'll be more shirts in here now, I'm thinking that they need to be organized by like tank top, bodysuit, long sleeve, sweater, stuff like that. So I think that's what I'm gonna do right now, is sort of reorganize a little bit and then continue with my hanging. It is a big to-do for this weekend to get a lot of the boxes out of here and at least know what's inside all of them. Like some of these boxes haven't even been opened yet. It's crazy. Well, I think we have done it for now, so let me show you everything that I did. So on this side of my closet, we have shirts organized light to dark and then by type of shirt. So I have my tank tops, my bodysuits, my t-shirts, and then these are sort of like long sleeve fancier shirts, and then some sweaters back here. And then back here, I actually hung this thing that goes on the back of a door, and I put some of my bags on there that I like to keep, but I do not use all that often. That way they're just sort of back and out of the way. Down here we have like jackets and cardigans, and then these are pants, and then extra hangers back here, along with my suitcase. Here's our current shelf situation. Top we have the skirts, then we have our jeans and our shorts using the little riser that we got. We have sweaters there, and then sweatshirts in here, and then I actually just slid this bin in here, and I have my hats as well as little like spandex shorts that go under dresses and skirts. This next side is, you know, not complete yet at all. So I just hung up my belts on this hanger here. I honestly might move them to like that little thing that my bags were on, just because I don't really wear belts all that often, but for now they're here. And then I have this hanging shoe rack here, which has all of the shoes that I wear often. Along the floor here I have my booties, and then this all needs to be reorganized. Those are my bathing suits, so I need to find a place for those just in general. And then I want to get a shoe rack down here, I think, because this bin is filled with more shoes, but that requires buying things that I do not have here yet, so that is good for now. And up here I have t-shirt dresses and then regular dresses. And that is the closet status update. Time for some well-deserved wine. Ended up being a long day. All right, Con and I are making dinner now. I'm on shrimp duty. By the way, I don't think I've given you guys an update. We are obsessed with our Always pan. It is so good.
The best gift possible.
Seriously, it's worth all of the hype. And dinner is served. Look at these shrimp tacos. Taco Tuesday.
I think we did pretty well.
Oh my gosh, killed it. I am so pumped. Well guys, that is it. I'm ending the vlog here. Just finished brushing my teeth, finished getting ready for bed. Hello. And I'm ready to call it. I am so tired today. It just felt really long, but very productive day. Very happy with the direction that my closet is moving. I don't think it's totally done yet, but who knows if it ever will be. Alrighty everyone, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.